Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Mathur. I am from Lotus Petal Foundation. I am studying in 12th class. Today I will tell you about characteristics of radio. Some important terms used in broadcasting. First is audience. The group of people whom radio or media reaches for a particular program is known as audience. Listeners. A person or a group of people who form the target audience of radio programs is known as listeners. Broadcaster. A person who presents or announces programs over radio for the public is known as broadcaster. Broadcasting. Any communication or transmission of any message or signal to the public through electronic apparatus is known as broadcasting. Tuning into radio. You have to switch on your radio and tune into the station you want to listen to is known as tuning into radio. Live broadcast. It means a program being broadcast directly without any pre-recording or the sounds made at the moment of broadcast is known as live broadcast. Script. The written copy of the words to be spoken during a program is known as script. Objectives of radio. First is to inform. Radio informs people through news and advertisements. We can listen news almost every hour on radio. We get information about various events happening in our country at international level also. We also get information about various products, service, government policies. Example, we get information about lockdown on radio. Second, to entertain. Radio entertains people through various programs like dance shows, fiction, non-fiction, sports, singing shows. Example, cricket commentary. Third, to educate. Radio educates people through various educational programs like Gyanvani and Krishi Darshan. Characteristics of radio. Radio makes pictures. We hear the commentary or the other message. We can visualize or see in our mind what is being described. The speed of radio. It is the fastest medium. It is instant. Simplicity of radio. Compared to all other media, it is simple to use. Radio is inexpensive. As it's simple, it is also a cheaper medium. Radio does not need any electric power supply. Radio is portable. We can carry it anywhere. One does not have to be literate to listen to radio. Limitations of radio. A one chance medium, what is said on radio does not exist any longer unless we record it. Radio has no visual images. Unlike TV, radio does not have visual images. We can only hear and visualize the image and messages. Messages on radio are easily forgotten. Radio broadcasts are of no use to people who have no sense of hearing, especially those with hearing disabilities. Thank you very much for your precious time and have a nice day.